Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. While Robotic Process Automation is a software tool used to complete repetitive tasks without human intervention, Intelligent Automation combines artificial intelligence and machine learning with RPA. These combined resources help businesses cut costs and increase productivity and accuracy. It requires multiple machines and automated tools to achieve the desired outcome by adding the intelligence aspect to help people make correct decisions without relying solely on reason, prudence, and predictive analytics. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.